Welcome to One Chemistry. Always do your best. Now let us see about carbocation. Carbocation is very basic and important concept in organic chemistry. We will learn from question and answer. The best form of learning is asking question, so we will learn from questions here. Stay tuned for complete information. First, let us see what is inside the video here. Normally, we are always discussing the stability in terms of question. The stability dictated in terms of planarity, aromaticity, particularly in cyclopropyl system, sometime in hybridization and inductive effect, substitution and resonance. Here, the important things are planarity, aromaticity and hybridization. First, let us quickly see what is carbocation. Carbocation means the carbon with positive charge. Moreover, carbocation has one empty p orbital. The structure of carbocation also planar. Normally, the stability of carbocation comes from the less charge of cation or resonance. You should know that less charge and resonance stabilize the carbocation. Let us see the first problem here. Here I given the three structures. The first one is tricyclic system, second one is bicyclic system with two bridged carbon, third one is one bridged carbon. In all these three systems the cation is possible. Normally the question comes from the fact that which cation is stable. So it is difficult to follow what is really playing the role for stability. But we very well know that carbocation is a planar structure. So the system with less strain or close to tetrahedral angle is stable. So the tricyclic system, if carbocation forms, the angle forced to be a 120 degree. If it is a bicyclic system, it is to 90 degree. If it is a tetrahedral, which is normal, which is 109 degree. So according to the strain in the system, we very well know that the tricyclic system, which is tetrahedral system, is very stable here. So the planarity dictates the stability here. Next, we will see stability in terms of aromaticity. Normally, the aromaticity dictated by the planar structure, particularly in Haeckel's rule. So, according to Haeckel's rule, aromatic mean it should have 4n plus 2 pi electron. If it is anti-aromatic mean it should have 4n pi electron. Non-aromatic mean it should be a planar or non-planar kind of architecture. So, what is really case here? Suppose question is asked whether the cation is stable or anion is stable, or the chargeless system is stable. The question here is cation, anion or chargeless system. So according to the Haeckel rule, system with 4 and 2 plus pi electron is stable. So the first carbocation has the conjugation and it has 4 and plus 2 electron, where n is 0, so it has 2 pi electron. The second one don't have any conjugation, it is unstable. At the same time, the last one, which is anion, it is very much unstable because it is anti-aromatic. So, according to aromaticity, you can define the stability. Next one is special case, which is cyclopropane. Cyclopropane is the peculiar system which attached to carbocation. Why it has extra stability mean it has the perfect p orbital or more p character because of its angle, so it can undergo special type of resonance. Here you can see from the bottom one, the resonance comes from the losing of the particular bond and forms a conjugated system like hyperconjugation. So it has extra and specific stability. From this fact we can answer the above question. Let us see the question here. The carbocation attached with 3 cyclopropyl system and 2 and 1. So here you can clearly see which one is stable, because the system with more cyclopropyl group is more stable because it gives more and more resonance, more and more stability. So the cation with 3 cyclopropyl is more stable, 2 is the second one and 1 is the least one here. So cyclopropane provides the very special kind of stability. Next one is stability in terms of hybridization. Hybridization in organic chemistry normally comes in three types, which is sp, sp2 and sp3. Here you see the percentage of S character here. In sp we have 50%, sp2 we have 33% of S character, and sp3 we have 25% of S character. The problem with S is it is more electronegative. Since it's spherical, it will very much cover the nucleus. So the sp system has more 50% of S character. So it is more electronegative and it's destabilizes the cation. So more S character system will be unstable. So from that, here you can say the carbocation attached with sp carbon is very much unstable, sp2 is comparatively stable, sp3 is very much stable. So the carbocation also influenced by the hybridization. The next and common one is stability versus inductive effect. Inductive effect is normally like pushing or pulling the electron to the system. So inductive effect can be positive or negative. Positive means it's electron donating group. Negative means it's electron accepting group. So what is really matter here? The carbocation attached with electronegative group normally destabilized because it pulled the electron, increase the positive charge. Carbocation attached with electron donating group, which is more stabilized because it's nullify the charge on the cation. So plus I effect stabilize the carbocation, minus I effect destabilize the carbocation. Normally the hydrogen don't have any effect on that. So from that you can clearly answer that the carbocation attached with plus I group is more stable and hydrogen don't have any effect, so it comes second. And third one is carbocation attached with cyanide is very much unstable. So inductive effect influences the stability. Next one is resonance. Here I given the three resonance carbocation and we will see which one is stable. The first carbocation attached with benzene, which has three resonance structure possibilities. Second one which has one resonance possibilities. Third one without resonance. Normally the more resonance structure will be more stable. So according to this fact we can clearly see the benzene attached carbocation is stable and allyl than the secondary cation. So more resonance provide more stability to the carbocation. The same thing we can extend to the more benzyl system. Here the carbocation attached with one benzene and two benzene and three benzene. From the known fact we will very well know that one benzene ring can provide three types of resonance structure and 2-1 provides 6, 3-1 provide 9. So more resonance structure will be more stable. So the triphenyl carbocation is the most stable one and diphenyl attached one is least and the phenyl is very much least. So the more resonance or more aromaticity provide the stability to the carbocation. Let us see some facts you should memorize for better understanding of carbocation. Here the most stable carbocation will be the cyclopropyl attached system. The second will be the aromaticity system, which is tropylium cation, and third one will be the aromaticity attached system, which is mesomeric effect stabilized system. At last it will be hyperconjugation system. So the carbocation stabilized by cyclopropane, aromaticity and mesomeric effect and hyperconjugation. But you should know cyclopropane provide more stability, then aromaticity, then mesomeric, finally hyperconjugation. That's all from me today. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.